Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a keyboard and mouse on your PlayStation 4 without a traditional controller. The only way to achieve this comprehensive control is by using a dedicated third-party adapter. This device acts as a bridge, translating your keyboard and mouse inputs into signals your PlayStation 4 recognizes as controller commands. It's crucial to select an adapter known for its reliability and compatibility. Once you have your adapter, the setup process is straightforward. First, connect the adapter to one of your PlayStation 4's USB ports. Then, plug your keyboard and mouse directly into the designated ports on the adapter itself. Each adapter has unique setup steps, so carefully consult its manual. Some models might even require a quick firmware update via a computer to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. After connecting, you'll typically use a computer to configure your adapter. This involves mapping specific keyboard keys and mouse actions to the corresponding PlayStation controller buttons. You can create and save multiple custom profiles, tailoring your controls for various games. Don't forget to fine-tune the mouse sensitivity and dead zones to achieve your preferred level of precision and responsiveness during gameplay. With your adapter properly configured, you can now navigate your PlayStation 4's menus and play games using only your keyboard and mouse. While this method offers a unique experience, be aware that some adapters might introduce a slight input delay. Also, remember that not every game is designed with keyboard and mouse in mind, so some titles may feel less intuitive. Consistent practice will help you adapt and excel with this alternative control scheme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.